Edible oils help keep the world fed. At-home cooks and professional chefs use them for frying, baking, and every other type of cooking or food preparation. Viking pumps have been used in the production of edible oils for decades. Edible oils are fatty liquids that are extracted from many different types of vegetables and seeds, including olives, canola, and sesame. Blends of these oils are typically referred to as simply vegetable oil. The 4124A and 4324A series are cast iron pumps and can handle high temperatures and have abrasive-resistant material options. They have high-temperature mechanical steel options and capacities up to 1,600 gallons per minute. Viking Pump has a number of external gear pumping options. These pumps are ductile iron and are compact. They can handle pressures up to 500 psi and have capacities up to 190 gallons per minute. Finally, 4127C and 4327C series pumps are 316 stainless steel and have high viscosity and abrasive-resistant sealing options. They have capacities up to 1,600 gallons per minute. With so many options, Viking Pump is here to assist with the essential production of all varieties of edible oils. To learn more about Viking Pump and edible oil production, please contact your local Viking Pump distributor.